previous videos, I showed you person detection model and emotion detection model. I used different normalization for both, but does it really matter? Let's see. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to explore with you two different methods for normalization and see whether it has any impact on the training and inference on the embedded systems. In many tutorials, you see people normalize grayscale images to the range of 0, 1 by dividing by 255. But other models, especially MobileNet-based ones, use -1 to 1. Why? And which one should you choose for TinyML? I trained both and then I compared everything. If your pixel goes from 0 to 255, then 0 to 1 is just dividing by 255. -1 to 1 shifts everything down and stretches it around 0. These tiny math differences change the model's input distribution, the activations, and even its stability. On real images, the 0 to 1 model tends to produce slightly higher confidence, but the -1 to 1 model is noticeably more stable in low light. During the training, the -1 to 1 model reached lower loss faster, which makes sense. Neural networks generally learn better when inputs are centered around 0. On the Pi, -1 to 1 model is slightly faster, but the difference is not remarkable. What's interesting, you can see that with the -1 to 1, I can easily detect the sad and fearful emotions, while it struggles a lot with the 0 to 1 model. With 0 to 1 model, I wasn't able to detect disgusted face, and angry was almost impossible as well, while I could achieve that with -1 to 1. You need to trust me here, or perhaps try yourself, as I wanted to save you from the view of my disgusted or angry face. When building from scratch, you can always try out both and easily compare the results. And that's it for today. And as usual, if you like what I do, give me a like, subscribe, and share your ideas in comments. Thank you. Cheers!